Alprazolam, brand name Xanax, prescribed to treat anxiety, usually caused by depression. A CNS depressant, a benzodiazepine. Don't prescribe if your patient's pregnant. It's highly habit forming. Avoid writing a prescription for a long time. It can cause withdrawal symptoms, high heart rate, sweating, nervousness, or more seriously, seizures. To manage panic disorders, add to antidepressant therapy. Be cautious when combining with other meds. Pay close attention to their med list. And if your patient smokes cigarettes, it may reduce alprazolam's effectiveness. Although other benzodiazepines are approved for treatment for chronic insomnia, alprazolam, brand name Xanax, is not one of them.